$900,000 times what? I just want to be sure you are following. Hello? Hello,
Okay,
are we there?
19.5%, please.
Okay. I hope we're all on the same page. 100,000 times.
9.
Let's take the time first. Times what?
19.5%.
Let's not forget this is what we are working with. Working with this. This is the program. We said if principal is 100% or above, rate is 90.5. Principal is less than 100%, it's 18.2. Okay, so that's what we are doing now. We are trying to test if the answer we are getting here is correct. Okay, so we have said, sorry, let me start again. I don't. We are testing this second one now. So we are saying 900,000 times, time is 9, and yes, times rate is what? 19.5.
19.5, so to say.
Divided by 100. Is the answer correct? Is this correct? Divided by 100.
0.5 is correct.
Okay. So that's correct. Okay. So that shows that the program is correct. What are we doing now? This is testing. You are testing the program to see if it's producing the expected results. Yeah. Is this clear to everyone? Clear to everyone? Yes or no? Answer in the chats if you like, or you mute and answer. Is this clear? I like to get responses so we can move on. Clear, yes or no? Okay, can see responses on the chats. Okay, thank you. Declare to every one of us. Please answer in the chats. Answer in the chat, please. Just click on the chat icon and type yes or no. You can just say clear, or you say yes, or you just say why. I will understand what you mean. Let's go ahead. Let's go ahead. I want to be sure that you are there and you are following and you are connected. I don't want to assume you are hearing me when you are not hearing. So can we respond quickly, so we can move ahead?
Sorry, sir. When there's an error message showing incorrect index.
In this program?
Yeah, when I was trying to index doesn't match any outer indentation level or something.
Index? What line? What? Which of the lines? Which of the, just tell me where the error occurred. Look at the error message, you see it there.
Yeah, okay, from the principal times, the interest equals to principal times.
Or are you using bracket there? Using square bracket or something?
No.
This has nothing to do with index.
Okay, yeah, it's working now.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Are we all okay now? Can you all hear me?
I can hear you. I don't know about the others.
I can hear you too.
Mr. Osunde, can you hear me? Obi, can you hear me? Obi, can you hear me?
Can hear you.
Okay, thank you. Obi, I can't hear you. It's like maybe your audio has issue. Hope you can hear me.
I can hear you from here.
Okay.
I expect for me when I try to run the program,
Mm.
it's showing the shell, but it's not coming up with the required answer. Where I will be
Is it giving you any error message?
no error message. As I just click run the module, it came up with just the shell and the
Blank?
displaying blank. Yes.
Without
Yes.
printing anything?
Within
Do
print.
you have the print statement, the last statement, this print? You have it?
Yes, I have it.
Are you sure you ran it?
Okay, there's a black. It's telling me that I didn't close one of the brackets. Let me see.
Okay.
It's telling me I didn't close one of the brackets. Okay, here. Okay, you can see now. Okay, run module. Okay, principal is now 100,000. Interest is say 9%. What do I hear? Travel most recent caller. 5 days. The rate is 90. Name rate is not defined. Did you mean range? No, rate. I don't mean range. Say name error. Name rate is not defined. Why is it not defined?
So look at your the way you wrote these rates. Compare it with the way you wrote this one. Python is case sensitive.
Okay.
They all have to be written exactly the same way. These three.
Principal.
Look at the cases. Are they all in small letters?
It seems to be in small letter. Let me see. Yes, it seems to. It all seems to be, yeah. Interest. Yes. Why is he returning that now? Print. The principal goes to blue.
What did you say the error is? What's the error?
He's saying name error.
Yes.
Rate.
Yes.
It's not defined.
So I'm telling you now, look at this place. Okay, look here. This rate.
Yes, RATE.
Is in small letters.
Yes, they are all in small letter.
This one is small letters.
Instead of equal to, I was writing dash. Instead of writing equal to, I was writing dash.
Okay.
That is why I said it's not defined.
Okay.
Let me run it again. Okay, 900,000 till 9%. Ah, name error. Interest is not defined. Okay, let me see again. Let me see. Name interest is not defined. Did you mean interest? Okay. Spelling error. Sorry. Um, oh gosh.
Okay, so can we proceed? So we are looking at nested if constructs. We're trying to illustrate how to do a nested if construct. Okay, so now we're going to say if nation equals Nigerian, if gender equals female, status equals qualified, else status equals not qualified. Else as of sorry. This is equal, supposed to be equal to not if. Okay. Where is that? Okay, this line, sorry, is also a condition. That's equal to, not assignments. There's a difference between assignment and equal to. All right, so now it's asking for nationality. Assuming I say Nigerian, and I say female, what do you expect? It didn't give me the answer. Why? Let's go and check.
The spelling of the Nigerian.
Okay, my spelling here. Nigerian.
No.
Okay, in the program.
Yes.
Okay.
Who is calling?
Yeah, thank you. Thank you. Okay, so let's try again. Nigerian, female, female. Still not going, so let's go and check again. Female, if gender plus female, status is qualified, if nation equals Nigerian, nation equals nationality, gender. You can see, can you see why? Nobody observed why. I didn't print the output. It was computed, but the output was not printed. Print. Print what? Print what? Well, can simply just print for now, let's just print status. Can just print the status. Status. Okay. So let's try again. Nigerian, female, working now. Okay. Okay. So you give me, what do you want us to use? Somebody should suggest inputs different from what I gave now.
Let's say Ghana.
How do they call them? I think it's Ghanaian or something like that.
Ghanaians, yeah.
Is it Ghanaian or Ghanaian? I think it's
Ghanaians.
somebody saying something.
Yeah.
Oh, what? We usually call them Ghanaian. Anyway, let's write it this way, no problem. Ghanaian, female or male? Let's even say female. Not qualified. Okay. Now, this program is not robust. Okay, it's not robust. There are so many. There's a lot that needs to do on this program to make it a real program that is worth it. Okay. Yeah, but I don't want to bring in too many features at the same time to avoid too many questions for now. For example,
Yes, yes. So my own son want tell me say na private na you go. I tell am say I get many children, make you send you go private.
Okay, so for example, this program needs to be validated. Okay, I don't want to start teaching you validation and mixing that up with what we are doing now, because what I want you to understand now is nested if constructs. Okay, for example, let me give you an instance. If I'm to run this program now, and instead of writing Nigerian the way I did before, I now write it like this: Nigerian. Can you see any difference? Enter. Then I say female. What answer do you expect it to be? What's our expectation? What's your expectation now?
Sorry.
The print is the status, so it will not bring any answer.
You say what?
Please, can you shift this? Shift the editing. I mean, is it no, not the editing. Shift this one on the surface to one side. Let me see the program itself. Can I so that I
You
can?
can't see the program.
No. Just shift this one to one side. Move this one.
I've moved it. I've
The
done that.
shell. Okay.
I've done that.
No, okay. What we'll see is okay. Either qualified or not qualified. I think that is what we see.
Yes. So what do you expect it to give now?
Okay. It's qualified since they are Nigerian. It's a Nigerian woman. We should be showing qualified.
Okay. But amazingly,
Showing not qualified.
yes. Okay.
Why?
That brings us to what we call data validation. Okay. You see, this data here, I just use if nation equals small letters. So if it's not written like this, it will not work. Okay. And that is not robust enough. That's not robust enough. So to solve that problem, I need to do something. And what I can do is, let me just show you an example of how we can solve that kind of problem. Sorry. Okay, so one way you can solve such a problem is to, you see, let me see. An easy way I can do that is to say, like this nation here. I can do it at different points. Let me do it here. Let me do it here. Input nationality. I can say dot lower. Dot lower. That thing doesn't have any sense. It does. All right, so now let's try it now. Let's see. Now you see it. Now you see it working.
We aren't seen it yet. Bring it up.
You've not seen it yet. Okay. Okay. So what I did before was Nigerian and what? Female, like this. Now it's working, right?
Yes. It's working now.
It's working. So let me explain what happened there. Let me explain what happened there. Now, what's happening here is this. This is called it's called a method. Okay, I'm going to talk about methods, string methods. See, when you enter the nationality, it is first converted to lowercase before it is assigned to nation. Okay, so that no matter how the person enters it, it's converted to lowercase, so that by the time Python gets here, when it's trying to compare what is the nation and Nigerian, there will be consistency. So no matter how you enter it, it must become lowercase like this, okay? This is not printed, it's just for internal computational purpose. So whether you use uppercase here, if you use upper here, then you also write capital letters here, okay? So whether it's upper or lower you use, it makes no difference, provided it's consistent. So this way, that kind of error can be overcome, okay? This makes sense? Then talking about nested if, I hope I explained that you understand that this if construct is nested within this one. Is that understood by everyone? This is an if within another if, okay? This is if, and then inside the if, you have another if, and it's indented like this. So this if construct, this if else construct, is inside this outer if else construct.
Okay.
So this is nesting of if constructs or if statements. Okay, that's nesting, right? But this one I just did is to help with accuracy. Okay, yeah. When you write a program, a real software, you have to pay attention to data validation and accuracy. Okay, so all that is not what you learn in one day. Just introducing it gradually as we go ahead. All right, is this very, very clear to every one of us? Is it clear? Yes or no? Any questions on this program?
We are adapting.
Okay.
Status.
All right. So now I'm going to give you something to do. Okay, which will take us to the next level. You know where? Yeah, somebody has a question.
Yeah.
Yes.
The lower
Yes.
you
Yes.
put in the program, is it a
Yes.
function?
It's not a function. It's called a method. It's like a function. Yeah, it's sort of a function, but we don't call it function. We call it a method.
Okay, to convert it to
Yeah. By the
lower.
time we deal with string methods, then I will explain to you how it is different from a function, even though it operates like as a function. So what it does is that whatever the user types in here now, it will convert it to lowercase.
What if we just outrightly just use lowercase for everything?
Everything like we're here, that's what we did here.
No, like in Nigeria, in nationality, where we put nationality from nation input nationality. Instead of using capital N, we use small letter n.
Yeah.
Yes.
That will
We
not
use
solve the problem, because we are talking about what the user enters when running the program.
okay.
And you don't have control over that.
Okay.
Yeah. So that's it.
Okay.
Are we on the same page?
Hmm.
So now, you know, we have been working with this IDE, which is a very simple and basic IDE. So from next class, I would like us to go step up and go more professional. So for that reason,